Turn around. I'm not happy with what you've done to me. Who do you think you are, spawning up here all ratchet and shit? Who? Put your gun on the ground. Put your gun on the ground right now. Put your gun on the ground. Drop it on the ground. Drop everything you got on the ground. I want you naked. Stay laying on the ground. There we go. There we go. That's more like it. Now, what do you have that I would like? SKS? Like that. I told you to take your gun off your thing, but I guess I can't do that myself. Can you talk? Do you have a mic on? You didn't just... Can you hear me? Hello? Are you unconscious? Oh. You died. How the hell did you die?